Hi, I'm Alstie from Charbroil, and today I'm excited to show you our Charbroil Bistro Pro Electric Grill. This grill is compact, apartment friendly, and comes in either red or black. What's special about this grill is its versatility. It offers true 3-in-1 cooking capability, allowing you to grill, griddle, or charcoal cook all in one. Most models do come with a griddle insert, but if yours does not, it can be purchased as an accessory. What really sets this grill apart is how it performs. It heats up quickly, it holds temperature, and it sears and sizzles like a gas grill would. It's a powerful electric grill, and it doesn't compromise on performance. And using the griddle is easy. Just slide the griddle insert out from the storage shelf, place it on the grates, let it heat up, and you're ready to cook breakfast, smash burgers, or anything else you would normally make on a flat top. And when you're craving charcoal flavor, switching is easy. Simply lift the grates, add a layer of charcoal, set the grates back in place, and you're ready to cook smoky wings, ribs, or anything else that benefits from the real charcoal flavor. And what's really convenient is lighting your charcoal just takes a turn of the knob. There's no need for matches or lighter fluid. One reason people love the Bistro Pro Electric is its apartment-friendly design. Because it's electric and it's compact, it's a great option for those with small spaces who may not be allowed to have a gas grill. We engineered the Bistro Pro Electric to be durable, reliable, and extremely easy to use, so you can focus on cooking instead of setup. So if you're looking for an electric 3-in-1 grill that lets you grill, griddle, and charcoal cook all in one, look no further. The Charbroil Bistro Pro Electric Grill has you covered.